Today, we are going to break down a common question a lot of new, and even experienced, Jira users face. How do you actually show epics on your board? By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know not only how to display epics in your backlog, but also how to use the epic panel to keep your project organized and your work context clear. This is part of the Jira How-To series by Jexo, and if you've ever found yourself digging around in Jira trying to make sense of your epics, or just want your team to see the big picture with less fuss, you're in the right place. All right, let's dive right in. The quickest, most reliable way to view epics on your Jira board is by using the epic panel in your project's backlog. But don't worry if you haven't seen this panel before. It's easy to enable, and once you've got it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So start by navigating to the backlog screen for your specific Jira project. If you're not sure where that is, just look for your project's name in the sidebar, click on it, and then select Backlog from the menu options. The backlog is where all your unscheduled work lives, and it's the perfect place to browse and organize your issues before sending them to the board. Now, with your backlog open, glance over to the right side of your screen. You should see something like a gear icon, or maybe the words View Settings. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see View Settings, look for a small filter or settings button in that same general area. Different Jira configurations sometimes use slightly different names, but it'll be in the action bar above your issue list. Within this settings or filter menu, you'll want to find the option for the Epic panel. Sometimes it's a toggle switch, other times it's a simple checkbox labeled Show Epic Panel, or just Epics. Enable this option. It's okay if you're not sure which one is the right pick at first glance. Just hover over them if needed, and Jira usually shows a helpful tooltip. Once you've enabled the Epic panel, you'll see a whole new section pop up on the left side of your backlog. This is where all your project's epics will be listed, kind of like a directory or table of contents for your bigger pieces of work. This is super helpful because sometimes looking at a huge backlog can feel like staring at a crowded train station and trying to spot your friends in the crowd. The Epic panel gives you an organized list, so you can see at a glance what major storylines your project is tracking. Here's where it gets really useful. You can actually click on any epic in this panel to filter the list of issues in your backlog. When you click an epic's name, Jira will instantly show just the issues linked to that epic, hiding everything else. This is perfect if you want to focus in on progress for a specific feature set, or if a teammate asks, "Hey, what's left to be done for the new payment integration?" Just click that epic, and you'll get a filtered view showing every related task. Don't worry if you don't see all the epics you expect right away. Sometimes epics are hidden if they're closed, or if your filters are set too tightly. You can tweak your issue filters if needed, and remember, the panel will only show epics that belong to the project you're currently viewing. And that's it. Super simple, right? By using the Epic panel in your backlog, you gain a much clearer perspective on your work, which really helps when you're planning, prioritizing, or running sprint sessions. Give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and click the like button, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Jira feature you'd like to learn about next. And if you want more bite-sized guides just like this one, don't forget to subscribe for more in the Jira How-To series by Jexo. Happy planning, and I'll see you in the next video.